The retail industry is passing through a difficult phase, so as Indian retailers. Lots of difficulties they are facing in terms of customers' entry, retail sales, piled up inventory, less cash to buy new stocks, preparation of festivals. There are many retailers in India, in spite of having all the above, still not able to take out enough cash as profits. They are traditional retailers, not very informed on new technology solutions, online sales, using marketing tools to get more customers, team training, merchandise planning, and many more. We are a one-stop shop for such retailers. We come with tons of years of experience from the industry and can convert and transform their business to the new age business with boosting profits way forward. You can contact us on the numbers for a brief discussion on how it can be done. Thank you.